to let you know what's going on for the upcoming events, which one's going to be totally different. I want to invite each and every one of you to make the next Zoom Pen Hangout. That's going to be July the 13th. That's on a Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. It's a very, very special event. It's going to be Matthew LaPlante birthday. He's going to be big 13. And for me, this is really big and special because I met Matthew. Of course, you know his dad, Troy LaPlante. He's another pen reviewer on here, a buddy of mine. And they came when they were on vacation. They did come and see us, and we got to meet them and spend some time with them, and just awesome people. And but back, I think in 2015 or 2016, Matthew was getting involved in fountain pens. What was he, 9, 8, something like that. And I sent him I think it was a Durograph fountain pen, I think. So, and I told him, I said, now Matthew, if you stick with this, I will send you a nicer fountain pen. I just want to make sure that you're going to stick to really enjoying these fountain pens, because I said, you know, Matthew, you know, one day you will be the guy leading everybody on fountain pens. You'll be giving all that information out to people, what you think about fountain pens, or if not doing that, I said, you'll be a fountain pen user. So, well, hey, he's going to be 13 in a few weeks, and he's on it. I mean, he's in it serious business. So, he didn't walk away from it. He didn't lose his interest. He's there. So, I got him something. And so, talking to his dad, Troy, and also what I want to do is have this special Zoom Pen birthday hangout for Matthew. And what's going to happen is I'll do my little talking first, and then I'm going to have Matthew, I'm going to turn it over to Matthew, rather, and let him take it for a while, and his dad will be there to help him if he needs anything. So it's going to be a big event for Matthew. He doesn't know all this yet. It's a surprise. So all this is going to be, you know, something to really watch for all you subscribers and viewers out there. You know, I need you now. I need you to help me out with this young man, 13 years old. We need to show him that, hey, we're going to support him, and we really appreciate his enthusiasm and sticking with fountain pens. You know, all the encouragement that we can give this young man, it's time to step up to the plate. So I hope you can make it, okay? 6:30 p.m. Central Time. And then on the 14th, we're going to have a regular Zoom Pen Pal Hangout with Tony and I. We'll be on at 6:30 p. So when we do Matthew's surprise birthday Zoom, it's probably, what, 10, 15 minutes, somewhere in there. So it's not going to be a long one. Doesn't need to be a long one. I just want to show Matthew that, hey, happy birthday, and let him know that I appreciate him sticking to the fountain pens. For me, that's a big deal. So those are the two events coming up. I am working with Jules Appleboom, and he's already committed to be on the Hangout. I just have to work out a date for me and send it to him, and the time that we're going to have him on. So that's going to be pretty cool and pretty awesome as well. Yes, that's going to be exciting. Okay, and I guess that's going to wrap it up today until we see you in a few weeks on the birthday hangout. Take care, and don't forget, Tuesday, July 13th, that's 6:30 Central Time. Peace and lots of love coming your way from the one and only, the Mr. Dynamite, Mr. Wonderful, Mr. Long Hair, good looking freak, rock and roller, AC/DC, Beatles, you name it, I got it. Don't take some good ride. Bye-bye. Later.